If you ever need to quickly find a website you visited before, Chrome makes it very easy to check your browsing history. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to view browsing history in Chrome in just a second or two. This is a super helpful trick, whether you're trying to reopen an old page, find a link you forgot to bookmark, or simply review what you looked at earlier. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, you don't need to search through menus or settings. There's a much faster shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and H at the same time. That's Ctrl plus H. As soon as you do that, Chrome will instantly open your browsing history page. From here, you can see the websites you visited recently, along with the date and time you accessed them. You can also use the search bar at the top of the history page if you want to find a specific site or page much faster. This is especially useful if you visited something days ago and don't want to scroll through the entire list. If you're using a different device, the shortcut may vary slightly, but on most Windows and Chromebook systems, Ctrl plus H is the standard shortcut for opening browsing history in Chrome. And that's it. That's how to view browsing history in Chrome in the fastest way possible. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one.